top of mind, I would say, learn to trust talaga. Like you trust your directors. Sometimes kasi pag bibigyan na sa amin side scripts parang hindi namin ma-spoil sa isa't isa yung mangyayari.
So hindi binibigay lahat?
Oo, minsan
Okay.
poster MJ. Minsan mababasa ko, ano mangyayari kay Gio? Ba't niya gagawin to? Parang out of character, but then when you see the entire story, it's gonna make sense to you.
Pero di ba mahirap yun? Eksena mo, hindi mo alam kung saan siya nanggaling, anong...
Yun nga, parang kailangan mo mag-imagine or make up ng stories sa ulo mo. Parang
Make up ng stories! Oh my
pumunta,
God,
yeah.
okay.
And then of course, learn to trust your co-actors na talagang magtulungan kayo. And most especially, learn to trust yourself na kaya mong gawin. Ako first time ko, ang daming genres ng Hotel 88. It's not only romance, mystery, it's also action, may horror element. And yung action, first time ko gawin yun, yung nung nakidnap si Bianca, tapos nung laban kami magkakapatid kay Bok. Ang daming nangyari doon behind the scenes na wow! Wow! Na
Like what?
ganito pala mag-action. Siyempre, maraming nangyayari na hindi maiwasan lalo na pag-action, di ba?
Accidents, mga ganon?
Pero, yun, it's a learning experience talaga. And we've all grown from it. And yun, ang saya na kinaya namin lahat.
Okay.